Welcome to our exciting comparison of two popular cleaning products, the Bissell PowerFresh Vac and Steam All-in-One Vacuum, and the Gorfinti Steam Mop 10-in-1 Multi-Purpose Handheld Steam Cleaner. Get ready to find out which one is the ultimate cleaning champion. Let's kick things off with the price comparison. The Bissell PowerFresh comes in at $185, which some reviewers feel is a bit steep, but they also praise its 2-in-1 functionality. On the other hand, the Gorfinti Steam Mop is a budget-friendly option at $139, making it a favorite for those looking to save money while still achieving great cleaning results. Overall, while Bissell may offer advanced features, Gorfinti appeals to those who want effective cleaning without breaking the bank. Now, let's dive into functionality. The Bissell PowerFresh is celebrated for its ability to vacuum and steam simultaneously, which many reviewers find to be a game changer for cleaning up messes quickly, especially with kids around. In contrast, the Gorfinti Steam Mop boasts a 10-in-1 design, allowing it to tackle various cleaning tasks. Reviewers rave about its versatility, making it ideal for everything from floors to windows. While Bissell is excellent for integrated cleaning, Gorfinti shines in its multi-purpose capabilities. When it comes to sanitization, both products promise to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria. Reviewers of the Bissell PowerFresh appreciate its effectiveness, especially for households with children and pets, as it helps keep their home clean and safe. Meanwhile, Gorfinti users also report satisfaction with its sanitizing capabilities, using it on various surfaces without harsh chemicals. Both products do an excellent job of keeping germs at bay, making them great choices for health-conscious consumers. Ease of use is another important factor. Bissell's easy-touch digital controls make switching between functions seamless, which is a hit among reviewers. However, some noted that maneuverability could be challenging in tight spaces. On the flip side, Gorfinti heats up in just 20 seconds and is lightweight, making it very user-friendly. Reviewers love how quickly they can start cleaning without a long wait time, which gives it an edge in convenience. Finally, let's talk accessories. Bissell includes a microfiber soft pad, a scrubby pad, and a detachable mop pad tray, which users find helpful. Gorfinti, however, comes with a whopping 10 attachments, which reviewers describe as a fantastic bonus for tackling various cleaning tasks. The versatility of Gorfinti's accessories makes it feel like an all-in-one cleaning solution, appealing to those who want to maximize their cleaning options. Overall, the Bissell PowerFresh is favored for its dual functionality and effectiveness, while the Gorfinti Steam Mop is praised for its versatility and affordability. Both have their strengths, making them strong contenders in the cleaning market. Which product do you think is the better choice for your cleaning needs? The Bissell PowerFresh with its powerful vacuum steam combo, or the Gorfinti Steam Mop with its impressive versatility? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the product links in the description for more information.